Take this drink and get rid of body aches once and for all. Do you feel pain in your body? Where in your body do they bother you most? In your legs, knees, arms, or shoulders? Tell me about it below in the comments. Also, tell me the city where you are watching this video. This recipe, it has only 4 ingredients that are easy to find and we usually have in our house. The main ingredient of this recipe is pineapple. For those who want to give the body a pulse in health and in the treatment of pain, the essential ingredient is pineapple. Its consumption reduces pain, swelling, damage and trauma such as sports injuries or a surgery, and also speeds up the healing process. It relieves the symptoms of intestinal disturbances and aids in the healing of gastric ulcers. Pineapple provides a great supplement of vitamin C, an excellent antioxidant, and boosts the immune system. This recipe is a great option for breakfast or as an afternoon snack. We will need 2 slices of pineapple, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 ripe banana, and 300 milliliters of water. All these ingredients provide nutrients that help to strengthen the joints and reduce body aches and pains. Put all the ingredients in a blender and beat for 5 minutes. I added a spoonful of honey while blending. This drink can be consumed every day until you feel no more pain. A glass in the morning on an empty stomach is ideal. And to use it just in case. It can be taken 2 to 3 times a week for a month. So, what do you think of this tip? And tell me how many people you will send this tip to. People, I would like to pass on a message that is in 1 Chronicles 18:6. Then he established military garrisons in the kingdom of the Arameans of Damascus, making them subject to pay taxes to him. And the Lord gave David victories wherever he went. David is described as a man after God's own heart, because he loved the Lord and wanted to obey him in every area of his life. The scriptures tell us that it was David's custom to ask the Lord for direction and guidance before making important decisions, and this verse is one of many that show us the results. This verse says that the Lord gave David victory wherever he went, and that is because David put God first. I believe that God will also bless us with success in our lives if we put God first. I'll stop here. A hug for all of you. Bye.